Okay, so we are doing keto, and we all know we're supposed to get our 5 to 7 cups of cruciferous vegetables per day, which is broccoli, cauliflower, kale, spinach, all the stuff we don't like, right? I'm going to show you how to do this and make it where you can stomach it, and not only stomach it, but you can enjoy it. So what I've got here is some steamed broccoli and cauliflower, and I'm going to use this utensil and chop it up, and we're going to add some goodies and make it good, and I'll show you how to do it. Stay tuned. All right, we're getting a chop. And it's almost going to look like mashed potatoes when you're done.
So we'll be back in just a second after we get it all chopped up so you don't have to watch this boring part.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have this is 2 heads of cauliflower and 2 heads of broccoli steamed and chopped. We have, what is this? 8 ounces of cheese grated, some green onions, a bag of bacon bits, black pepper, sour cream, and salt. Here is literally how easy this is. Dump this. Dump this one. And I'm doing this while the broccoli's still hot, so the cheese will melt. Dump this. Take the moisture pack out. You don't want to eat that.
No, don't want to eat that.
Black pepper. I'm going to go to the big side for a second. And it's just a taste. There's nothing measured. A little bit of salt. We use pink Himalayan sea salt, but you do what you like. And then I've already made a batch of this a couple of days ago and already ate it, but I've got half of this sour cream left. So we're just going to dump it in there. And this is how you get your keto cruciferous vegetables in, and it is enjoyable. All the potassium is still there, and it is phenomenal. And we're doing this for Thanksgiving tomorrow. That's why this video is impromptu. What did they call that? Yeah, that's what they called it in oral communications class in college. Impromptu. All right, and then we're going to give it a stir. Just work it and fold it all in. It'll take a second. So I'm going to pause the video, get it stirred in, and let you see what it looks like. Okay, we're already mixed and I've flattened it out, and the best way I could describe the taste of this is just imagine you had a pan full of loaded baked potatoes. But here's the trick. If you eat it now, all the flavors aren't melded, so as you see I have it here. Back off a little bit. It's a pan full, so take you some saran wrap and set this in the refrigerator overnight, and maybe tomorrow at lunch or by dinner. This is going to taste just like loaded baked potatoes. If it doesn't, add just a pinch or 2 more salt, a few more bacon bits, a little sour cream. That's not going to hurt you, and I promise you, you can get your 5 to 7 cups of cruciferous vegetables a day with this. Thanks for watching.